Good morning, everyone. I'm going to talk about some RC stuff. It's my little collection. Excuse the mess. But specifically, we're going to be talking about the beast, the Kraton 8S. And the issue, well, it's really not an issue, but something that I noticed is with the 8S, over there, when you run them, especially when you're going through leaves, these fan openings are so wide that you always get leaves or something stuck in there. So what I'm going to try and do is fix that problem. So I got some of this like metal grating sheet type stuff. I'm going to put it right on there. It's enough for the air to go through, but it'll keep all those little leaves and stuff from getting in there. So let's see how this goes. So we're just going to cut this out. That's perfect. So what I do, if I can get that on there, I'm gonna just make these holes a little bit bigger and then bend these down. I think that'll work. Found some washers, so I'm gonna put the washers on. Tighten them down. You're good to go. Just bend it down on the corners and on the sides. Bam, all good to go. Actually, looks pretty decent. Anything that goes on top of it, like little leaves or whatever, it's not gonna get stuck in there and start making crazy noises. Yeah, I gotta do the other side. And this is the finished product, and actually looks pretty decent. Sticks out a little bit, then you just push these ends down, and it'll concave right and long. Just a simple fix to same thing with that one. I use washers just to make sure it was on there real good. Good stuff. It works. So then it should keep all those little leaves and things out. Yeah, buddy. I did the same thing for this one too. It just looks a little bit more sloppier, but it'll keep all those little leaves and all that little stuff out of there. Yeah, buddy, good stuff. Kraton.